Hello, everybody. Well, as y'all may have known, that we have a winter storm on our hands from Texas all the way to the East Coast. Yeah. And here how it's gonna go for Texas and yeah. Well, there are models saying that there's gonna be 12 to 18 inches of snow here in Texas, and then nearly a foot of snow in Oklahoma. But here in Lubbock, it's like 8 to 12 inches. Yeah. And my friends in Dallas, Fort Worth, y'all are going to possibly get 12 to 18 inches, maybe. Well, anyhow, now this model says 2 to 4 inches of snow in the Dallas, Fort Worth area. 3 to 5 inches of snow north of there, yeah. This is the ice communication in the Dallas, Fort Worth area. So, to all my Dallas, Fort Worth friends, y'all need to keep your eye on this, yeah. Y'all don't need to be going out. Yeah. Y'all must be at home watching basketball games, and yeah. And this part of Oklahoma here might be getting a chance to see 1 foot plus of snow. 60 to 70 chance of snow from Friday through Sunday, yeah. This is another GFS model of snowfall from Lubbock to Oklahoma here. Yeah. This is the weather in Fort Worth, yeah, for Friday through Sunday. 51, 36, 22, and then it recovers, yeah. This is the weather in Fort Worth, yeah. The temperatures and so on and so forth. This is the temperatures in Dallas, 51, 36, and 24 with a low of 15, yeah. Yeah. Now these are the temperatures in Lubbock. 42, 19, 24, 35, with a low of 3 and 2 degrees. Those are dangerous, extreme cold weather, y'all. Y'all don't want to be outside, yeah. In the cold, yeah. I'm going to be staying inside, yeah. That means I'm not going to the Texas Tech and Houston game, which is sad, yeah. But they have moved up the time for this game from 5 p.m. to 1 p.m. Texas Tech versus Houston, and college game day will be at 9 a.m. Yeah. Yep. Not only we're getting snow with this winter storm, we're getting a wintry mix and ice. Yeah. But anyhow, everybody that's in this area should watch out for the weather because it's going to turn dangerous tonight, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday. And yeah. Thank y'all for listening to this latest segment video from meteorologist Logan McGinnis, and yeah.